Hey guys, let's see how you can move the icons on your Samsung TV. It's very simple. You just need to use your remote control and you're gonna select the icons just like so. Let's say, for example, here I want to move the Netflix one. I just hover over and then I press and hold here on the center of the remote control. And you see that I have the option to remove, but I'm not going to remove. I'm gonna use the right arrow to move to the position that I want and then press the center button again. One more time, press the center button. You see that I have the option to remove, but I will just use the left arrow to move here and press the center button again, and I'm good to go. Now I can have the Netflix here on the left side. Super easy. Basically, that's the way you can move the icons here on your Samsung TV. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.